Have you ever wondered why professional footages look like a movie, but when it comes down to your phone or your camera, it kind of looks cheap? This isn't usually just down to the lens. However, ND filters can be a massive help. Think of ND or neutral density filters as sunglasses for your camera, but they do more than just help the camera see better in the sun. In video, there is a golden rule called the 180-degree rule. So if you're shooting at 24 frames per second, your shutter speed needs to be 1/50th of a second. On a bright sunny day, 1/50th is way too slow. Your image would be completely white at that point. To fix this, you'd usually have to close the lens by closing the aperture. However, then you'll lose out on the blurry background. An ND filter lets you keep your shutter speed at 1/50th and your aperture wide open, even in high noon sun. It cuts the amount of light entering the lens without changing the color of the scene. That's why it's called neutral. And this gives you two things: cinematic motion blur where the object is smooth and not choppy, and shallow depth of field where you can keep the background even in bright light. There are two main types. Fixed NDs have one set strength, while variable NDs rotate like a pair of polarized sunglasses, allowing you to dial in the exact darkness you need. If you want your videos to go from amateur to pro, then I highly recommend to buy an ND filter as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next.